Hello guys, welcome to the video. As you have read the title already, how to download the Sims 4 for free from Origin. So here's the thing, what you have to do is from the store you can't add it. I don't know why. I was unable to add it when I searched it from here. So the thing you have to do is you have to go, you have to open your web browser and just search for Origin. Just Google it, and when you will open the website, they are promoting this, they are giving this free game and all that. Let's load. I don't know why it's not loading. Yeah, as you can see, they are saying it, the Sims 4 get it free for a limited time. Means the game is for free for a limited time. That it doesn't mean that the game that you can play the game for a limited time. The game is fully for free. What you have to do is like it's already in my library. Let me open a incognito tab, I guess. Yeah, let's Google Origin and click on get it now. Get it free, and yes, you will be getting the full game forever, means unlimited time. But it will be a standard edition, it will not be the deluxe edition, and this standard edition does not include the DLC packs and all that. But free game is free, you know, it's a free game, so why? I know you understand. So here's the thing, just click on get it free and sign into your account, and the game will be added in your library as it's already added in mine, and I'm downloading it. And so please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. I do live streams every day for of different games and PUBG also, and I'll be live streaming the Sims 4 also. So hit that like button and do subscribe and do comment, and tell me, do you really want to play Sims 4, or you want me to play some other game. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun. Peace out. Bye bye.